Sometimes I hunt for the storm just to weather it. Prefer them deadly than challenge accepted. And don't get too friendly, my motives are treacherous. There's a thin line between pain and what pleasure is. And on that thin line is me leaving them breathless. Make them aware it's their moment of reckoning. Used to be less of a wreck, now I'm reckless. I'm the best and I still get the best of them. Hold up. Always been the one that got them carrying. Still get a little bloodlust every now and then. Beckoning, follow him or fall to him like they all do him. I follow my own guidance. I follow my own guidance. Still woke up and chose violence. When I talk, they all silent. Everything, everything. Tell them I'm ready for anything. Everything, everything. I swear I'm ready for anything. Bring it on, it's not enough. Baby, I'm ready for everything. Everything, everything. Tell them I'm ready for anything.
Maganda yan. You are not only my lover, but also my best friend. You were always there for me ever since we first knew each other. I still remember the first day we met. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay, bagay kami. Mas matangkad pa din ako kahit mag-heels siya.
Hi B, I believe God had a plan when the two of us met. To love, to cherish, and to hold forever. Just a special gift from our family to yours. Welcome to the family. I love you. Love, Ken. Open natin. Ay, ang ganda.
You know how they say you got the real thing when nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you. I love you. I love you like that. All I wanna say is I got the real thing and nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you. I love you. I love you like that. I'm not always clever with the words I use.
Hi B, thank you sa gift. Hindi ko in-expect kasi okay lang naman sa akin yung maliit na engagement ring pero binigyan mo pa ako ng mas maganda pa. Thank you sa inyo tsaka sa family mo kasi sabi mo sa inyo to galing. Thank you, nagustuhan ko. I love you, I love you.
You should know the truth. You should know the truth. Yeah, you know how they say you got the real thing when nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you. I love you. I love you like that. All I wanna say is I got the real thing and nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you. I love you. I love you like that.
Kenneth, my baby. Today I choose you. Today I'm promising a lifetime with you and to always walk beside you. I promise to love you for all that you are, all that you have been, and all that you're yet to be. Thank you for choosing me. I hope you like my simple gift. I love you. Yours truly. Maganda yan.
Maybe it's the way you play your game.
Let's go!
But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you.
Yes!
But it's so
And sobrang thank you sa napili mong gift. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung colorway, yung sapatos lahat, yung sobrang thank you. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling kasi sobrang gusto ko yung sapatos. So hindi ko ma-express in words, pero sobrang thank you sa sapatos. Sobrang na-appreciate.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine, mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile, smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I think that you are the
Kenneth, my ex-boyfriend, my baby, the love of my life, my partner. I felt empty before I met you. Empty like a piece of me was missing and I was tirelessly searching for it. Sigurado akong nahanap ko na yun nung makilala kita. And perhaps that's one of the beautiful things about life. The wrong ones will always find their way out of our life, while the right one will always find its way to you, even if it means finding you in the middle of nowhere.
And of course, you are gorgeous. You were gorgeous the first day we met, and will always stay the same in my eyes. You were the light at my darkest hour. Man.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. Smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time. Praying to God that
Nalaman kong ikaw na yung true love ko because you inspire me to be a better person. You treat me with respect as a woman and as a mother of your unborn child. You support me in every way, hindi nakikipagpagalingan. Ibinababa ang pride kung kailangan. We fit together. I wish that we'll have a long-lasting marriage just like our parents. I pray that God will continue to guide and bless our marriage. I love you so much, my husband.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.